tell it everywhere I go. Tell them, world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard.
I don't know, your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what did them? Welcome to another vlog. You don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Listen. Punki Skylife, we're at Tracks and Records in Montego Bay. You wanna take the elevator? She's afraid of the elevator. Dang, this lighting.
At that time, it just back in the come in.
You don't have to take the elevator because I'm like 2 steps up. Yeah, we're going out for dinner tonight. Yeah, I don't really believe in the elevator. Like, right the same step. I just bust the corner so you reach.
Melica.
Should I use the elevator?
Melica.
What?
Kind of open back in.
You don't want to go?
Alright, go on.
Because you never have to. Turn around. It's behind you.
Okay.
You look full. Hi, good night. Alright. They look like they're full. So funny. So funny. You know, almost see what just reached me. I almost broke my neck. Drop. Boom, guys. Boom.
So beautiful too.
Okay, guys. We're actually seated outside. Punki tried the side that she wants, as well as me. The lighting is not so good out here, but it's okay. So we are going to order. I don't think I'm taking nothing with alcohol because my alcohol not great. Yeah, when the food comes, try and show you how it gets. Battery run low, so about 7 battery for catch that on camera and stuff. Yeah. Any said what you again? Okay guys, so this is jungle soup. This is the buffalo wings fries festival. Melica got jerk pork and red pork with plantain festival, sweet potato, coleslaw, fries, red people. Okay, I'm ready to eat. Darling, guys, I am complete with dinner. Stephanie's meal was very, very spicy. So she not really cool and it was very, very spicy. Mine went alright, I take pork, I never like
You don't get it. Spicy. No spice.
So I had a pork. It never too hot for me, but see our buffalo wings, they're really nice, but it is spicy and things. So this is where we end the vlog. It's a short little vlog. I know you guys will appreciate it just the same. Big up on the damn clean self. Oh, I need to show you guys the outfit of the night for me. Have myself was no one thing, but I'm gonna show you guys just the same. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show love, leave a comment below, tell a friend, share with a friend, and a bag things. Yeah, check out the outfit of the night, please.
The sister cleaning, guys.
Hey, tell me where you wanna go. I'll take a trip. Remember to subscribe, tell a friend, big up on the damn clean self. Go to my website, MELICASKYLIFE.com, and check it out. My products are gonna be on there. The belly gun is already on there. If you want a belly like mine, you need to get a belly gun and thing.
Show them my belly, Melica. And I'm not joking this, you know, guys. No edits, you know, guys. Ah, kid.
Right, Punki book of say, how can I alligator them that out the sauce?
Yeah, man. I don't know why they didn't drop that in our
Right.